Hello, and welcome to SMS Marketing Tutorials. In this video, we'll see how to set up an email-to-text campaign, which would allow users to send text messages right from their email. Let's get started. Log in to your account using your credentials. Click on Manage Account. To enable the email-to-text feature for an existing user, click on the Edit button for the existing user. Then, click on Texting Profile. Check the Enable Email to Text checkbox and click Save. Once enabled, you can customize the email to text settings on the texting profile screen. To enable the email to text feature for a new user, click on Add User. Enter the information of the user. Check the Enable Email to Text checkbox. Select the entitlement group for the user and then click on Save. To send a message from your email, format the to field with the country code followed by the mobile number at text-to-emailed.net. Thanks for watching.